Hello. It's amazing how something can go from creepy to critical, given different circumstances. Like, not too long ago, people doing video chats like this was kind of a rarity. Very commonly, people just wanted to keep their cameras off and not be a part of the household. Video conferencing was always supposed to be a way for people to stay more intimately connected to each other. Now, in a pandemic, we're starting to see that this technology is pretty dang useful. There's no shortage of video conferencing and video calling solutions out there. The two most go-to options are probably Microsoft's Skype and Apple's FaceTime. And the beauty is, they work great for most people, but they kind of start to fail in certain scenarios. Neither of them work well in even medium-sized groups. And FaceTime specifically requires everyone to use Apple products. And not everybody has an Apple product. Now, there was one solution that really nailed that accessibility problem, and that was Zoom. Now, I'm not sponsored by Zoom. I don't really care about Zoom. But the fact is, they nailed that accessibility problem. And from the get-go, they designed their product to just work and be easy to use. Just works. No registration. If you have a thing that's smart and has a camera attached to it, it will probably work. You can probably join a Zoom meeting. Unfortunately, Zoom and other conferencing solutions have been under fire for their security issues. This sort of thing was bound to happen when you go from nearly 10 million daily users to 200 million daily users. That's about 2/3 of the population of the United States. Pretty much every video conferencing solution out there had major uptick during this pandemic. That's why us nerds, well, okay, maybe not why, but it's one of the reasons why us nerds created open source software. Among other things, it's so that anyone can take a look and tweak and see what's inside of it at any time. So you don't need to guess if the product is secure or not, or wonder, or hope, or put your faith in some corporation. Some nerd can check, and that makes it pretty dang secure. But let me introduce you to Jitsi. Jitsi is an open source video conferencing platform that anyone can use for free. Not only can you use it for free, you can even set up your own personal deployment of it for free. And not only is it free, but it's actually much faster to use than Zoom. Look, I'm not trying to get you to use Jitsi or Zoom. I don't care. All I'm trying to say is the technology is more accessible than ever. And I hope that when this is all over, we can all remember what the purpose of video conferencing actually is. If you just want to have a meeting where you present a PowerPoint and share some information with a group, then yeah, you probably just need audio. But if you want to feel like a team or a family, then please turn your camera on. Bye.